Hello, my name is Crystal Jocelyn. This activity is for 5th grade science. Students will learn the parts of animal cells and the functions of each of those parts. Students will also learn to identify each part within a cell diagram. Create a slide for each part of animal cells listed below. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, vacuoles, chromosomes, mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, and Golgi body. Describe the function of each cell part. Go to, as you can see, there is a website, a web address in purple, and that will help you if you need help, more assistance. Find an image of the individual cell part and insert it on the appropriate slide. Protein, ribosome, and mRNA. What part does it go to? For example, this is what a slide may look like. Ribosomes, what are they? Small factories used to build proteins. When you are finished, go to the web address you see in blue, the first part of it, and after you're done with that, you go to the second web address in the blue to check how much you've learned. Thank you and have a good night.